This is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, great balls of lamb. At the time of the making of this video, we have a 15-year-old boy, and he has a sense of humor of a 15-year-old boy. But to keep it real, I have the sense of humor of a 15-year-old boy too, and I have no excuse. That said, if I make any kind of meatballs, he'll say, "I love balls." And we all roll our eyes, but come back with, "That's what you said," because we're mature like that. When he was a toddler, he was a very picky eater, and one of the few meats I introduced him to that he liked right away was a lamb meatball. It wasn't even as good as this recipe since I've had a couple years to work on it. I know a lot of people do not like the taste of lamb, often finding it too gamey. This recipe is not gamey at all. I happen to love lamb, especially shanks, a New Zealand lamb chop, or ground and prepared in a Greek or Turkish Mediterranean style. These lamb meatballs definitely lean towards a Mediterranean taste profile. And my husband, who generally does not like lamb, loves it when I make it like this. It's a winner for the whole family. For this recipe, you need to get you a bottle of ourTwice stolen spice and let Mama Miche make your kitchen magic.
Try this, baby. Oh, that looks so good. A little bit of that, a little bit of that, a lot of that.
Great balls of lamb.
Let's eat.